Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Online Business Break to build a business that pay for life you love. So are you a business owner? Are you an entrepreneur? And do you wanted to increase the brand awareness, customer loyalty, and if you have a website, so increase the conversion of your website? You are here with me, Menka, and I am the founder of Fortune Digital India. It's a digital marketing and advertising company. I'm coming up with a workshop that leverage the social media for your brand recognition. So the workshop is on 9th of June 2018. Second half of the day is the Saturday. I'm going to cover all the platforms of social media, the LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So there are total 6 modules which I'm going to cover in this workshop. And along with this, I'm also going to cover one more module which I'm giving as a bonus module for all of my attendees and VIPs to whom I have invited. So the bonus module will include the content marketing because without content nothing is possible. Content is crucial for social media marketing. Content can be the text and it can be the graphics. So in this workshop, I'm going to tell you the important list of the tools from where you can generate the content. Also let you know that how you can design the graphics for your social media posts. So this workshop is a completely practical hand-to-hand training. Whatever I'm doing, everyone has to do the same thing, right? So if I'm doing designing the graphic, you also have to design the graphic at the same time. If I'm creating the Facebook page, you also have to create the Facebook page in front of me. I'm running the paid ad campaign, you also do the same. So it is very helpful for you to recognize the things what I'm teaching you, the same you can incorporate later on also. So Facebook is very important, which I'm going to cover in this. How to create your own Facebook business page. What is microblogging? That is the Twitter part. So microblogging. What is microblogging? How you have to do, from where you get the content, how to post. What is hashtagging? What hashtags you have to use? Which kind of hashtags you have to use? So all this is going to cover in this workshop. So stay tuned, and I requested to join this workshop. And this workshop is everyone is recommended to come with their laptop because it's a completely practical training. So guys, thank you so much for watching my this quick video, and I requested to join this workshop. Thank you.